Okay, we touched up some spots where I needed to touch up, sanded it down, and I wiped it all off with a damp cloth to get all the dust off of it. So now we're going to put a base coat of white on it. This is what I'm going to be using here. And we're going to paint a base coat of white. And then what I'll do is I'll take some 220 grit sandpaper and I'll lightly sand it down and then put another coat on. And after that, we should be ready to add color. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and click like on the videos. I would appreciate that. As long as you keep liking them, I'll keep posting them. So we're going to continue to paint this down, and then we'll let it set and dry, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.